Chapter 6 Friction and Gravity. Friction is a force created when a surface moves against another surface. Friction acts in the opposite direction of motion. Friction slows down moving objects or stops them from moving. Friction is created between the soles of our shoes and the ground when we walk. Friction is created between a ball and the ground when a ball rolls. Red arrow shows the direction of friction and blue arrow shows the direction in which box is moving. There is less friction created when a rough surface moves against a smooth surface. Less force is needed to move against a smooth surface. Objects move easily over smooth surface. There is a more friction created when a rough surface moves against another rough surface. More force is needed to move against a rough object. Objects do not move easily over a rough surface. It helps us to hold things like pencils and cups. It helps us to walk without slipping. It helps cars to move without skidding. Friction between the skis and snow makes skiing slower. Soles of shoes get worn out because of friction. Thank you. These videos are created for students and teachers to make them easy to understand through various illustrations.